morning, beautiful people. Good morning. Thank you for joining us. So today I want to prepare banga soup. Okay. So I'm removing the back of this one out of it. You see. So we have a snail. Okay. If you have interest in this, our big snail. This is big snail. You see as a big mature. You see, this is big snail here. You see as a big mature. So if you have interest, just contact our WhatsApp number. Okay, this is big snail. It's very nice. So you see, this one too big. So this is how we package it. I want to show you. So this is our snail, okay? Dry snail. This is big snail. So when you want to use this to prepare soup, the snail, it will swell up, it will come out. So it will big. This is nice. So if you have interest, just contact our WhatsApp number. Okay, so that is how we sell our. If you need one or two or three or four, we have it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. This is nice. So we are trying to prepare banga soup with cocoyam fufu. So we have other Nigeria food stuff we are selling. If you have interest, just contact us. We have plantain powder. Okay, you can make it into plantain fufu. Ofe bole. Yeah, drink it. Bye. It is Roberto. Roberto saying. Get. Oh my gosh, you must have you. Auntie, say good morning. Good morning. Ṣé máa ṣe ohun tí mò ń ṣe lọ díẹ̀díẹ̀? Àbò oníjàmàlà. Ṣé wàá jẹ? Àǹtí, ṣé wàá jẹ banga soup? Banga soup. Mo ní fẹ́ jẹ banga soup o. Mo ní fẹ́ jẹ banga soup. Evelyn sí snail. Evelyn, see the way Evelyn they look, see. Auntie. Auntie Rachel. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share with your friend and family. So if you need snail, just contact our WhatsApp number. Okay, we sell it 2 jar, 3 jar, anyone you want. If na 1 jar we have it, okay, or 2 or 3 or 4. Thank you. Bye. Evelyn, say bye bye. Bye bye. Mwah. Yeah. Bye. Auntie.
Go.